Good afternoon, everyone. Jack McGrath with NakedTrader.com. Happy Friday. Well, we got the non-farm payroll out of the way, and it was much better than expected. And everything basically took it on the chin. You had a nice rally in the S&Ps. Remember, we had from 1450 up to 1420. We wanted to short the market in that band. They ended up getting up to 22 and a quarter. That was, I think it gave you a nice selling opportunity. Now you want to pay attention to 14.13 on the downside, and we'll see if we can get back below there. I think if you could start to get back below 14.13, you're going to see another trade in the stock, S&Ps specific, down to the lows, 96. We like that 1393 area. Now we're continuing to see a nice trading range, so I don't mind selling these rallies, buying the dips back, and then getting another opportunity to sell the bounce. Keep that in mind for now. The 10-year, keep an eye on this 133.15 area. The low, if we started to take that out, you're going to get some more downside pressure in the notes. The bonds, they traded down to 149.11 after the non-farm payroll. Nice buying opportunity, even though it was through that trend line. That comes in right around this 14 area. And so pay attention to that. If we start to get below 14 and have a hard time getting it back above there, you're looking for possibly 149.01 again in the bonds. So we did see one thing we've seen, 10-year notes, saw good put buying. The 132 puts before the open, 25s, 10,000 times. This afternoon, the February 132.5 puts, paper was buying those. They paid 24 and 25 for 19,000 of those. So we have seen some downside plays in the notes. Maybe not a bad way to play it, but I think for Feb, you still get a lot of premium built in there. That 25s is a lot of outlay of cash to have those on. But that's been the flavor of the last several sessions, is buying puts in the notes. Euro dollars. We had the Blue D's 92 calls on before the payroll number. Unfortunately, with that big number, we did not get above the 99.25 strike. To the contrary, we traded down to 18.5 and then bounced off of that level. But the blues actually hold in fairly well. We still have a week to go for expiration on those, so we'll be paying attention to Blue D's going forward, that 99.25 strike. So happy Friday. Have a nice weekend. This is Jack McGrath with NT Markets. Thank you.
Hey, just want to make sure you saw it.